Hello everyone, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to talk about bond order. So, what is bond order? Bond order is the number of chemical bonds between a pair of atoms and indicates the stability of a bond. For example, diatomic nitrogens, the bond order is 3. In acetylene, the carbon-carbon bond order is also 3 and the CH bond order is 1. Bond order and bond length indicate the type and strength of covalent bonds between atoms. Bond order and length are inversely proportional to each other. When bond order is increased, bond length is decreased. This is very important concept for competitive exams. Now, we will talk about basic of chemistry. So, chemistry deals with the way in which subatomic particles bond together to form atoms. Chemistry also focuses on the way in which atoms bond together to form molecules. In the atomic structure, electrons surround the atomic nucleus in the regions called orbitals. Each orbital shell can hold a certain number of electrons. When the nearest orbital shell is full, new electrons start to gather in the next orbital shell or from the nucleus and continue until that shell is also full. The collections of electrons continues in ever widening orbital shell as larger atoms have more electrons than smaller atoms. When two atoms bond to form a molecule, their electrons bond them together by mixing into opening in each other. Orbital shell, as with the collections of electrons by the atoms, the formation of bond by the molecule start at the nearest available orbital shell opening and expand outwards. So, bond order is the number of bonding pair of electrons between two atoms. In a covalent bond between two atoms, a single bond has bond order of 1 and double bond has bond order of 2. A triple bond has a bond order of 3 and so on. To determine the bond order between two covalently bonded atoms, follow these steps. Draw the Lewis structure. Determine the type of bond between the two atoms. No bond, single bond, double bond and triple bond. If the bond order is 0, the molecule cannot form. The higher bond order indicates greater stability for the molecules. In molecules that have resonance bonding, the bond order does not need to an integers. So, let's for an example, the bond order, determine the bond order for hydrogen gas. So, draw the Lewis structure like this and determine the type of bond between the two atoms. There is only one pair of shared electrons, indicating is a single bond with a bond order 1. Now you see determine the bond order of nitrate ion. Draw the Lewis structure, count the total number of bonds. The total number of bonds is 4. Count the number of bond group between the individual atoms. 3. The number of bond groups between the individual atom is 3 and divide the number of bond between individual atom by the total number of bonds. The bond order is 1.33. So you have 4 bond, you have here number of bond group between the individual atom is 3. Now determine the bond order of nitronium ion. Draw the Lewis structure, Count the total number of bonds. The total number of bond is 4. Count the number of bond group between the individual atoms. The number of bond group between atom is 2. Divide the bond groups between individual atoms by total number of bonds. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So high bond order indicate more attractive between electrons, and higher bond order also means that atoms are held together more tightly. With a lower bond order, there is less attractions between the electrons, and this causes the atom to be held together more loosely. Bond order also indicates the stability of bond. The higher the bond order, the more electrons holding the atom together, and therefore greater the stability. Now bond order increases across the period and decreases down the groups. It is increases, and this side it increases from top to bottom to top, and top to bottom decreases. Now bond length. Bond length is defined as the distance between the center of two covalently bonded atoms. The length of the bond is determined by the number of bonded electrons. The higher the bond order, the stronger the pull between the two atoms, and shorter the bond length. Generally, the length of the bond between two atoms is approximately the sum of the covalent radii of the two atoms. Bond length is reported in picometers. Therefore, bond length increases in the following order: triple bond, less than double bonds, less than single bonds. So you have to find the bond length. Follow these steps. Draw the Lewis structure. Look up the chart below the radii for the corresponding bond, and find the sum of the two radii. So trend in the periodic table. Because the bond length is proportional to the atomic radius, the bond length trend in the periodic table follow the same trend as in atomic radii. Bond length decreases across the period and increases down the groups. Look at this picture. So what is the bond order of O2? What is the bond order of nitrate? What is the bond carbon nitrogen bond length in a CN? Is the carbon to oxygen bond length greater in CO2 or CO? What is the nitrogen fluoride length in? So first write the Lewis structure like this. There is a double bond between the two oxygen atoms, therefore the bond order of molecule is 2, and so on. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.